In this video, I will show you how to change the download location in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To change the download location, so to change where your downloads get saved to, all you need to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots. From here, what you want to do is come down and click onto settings, and once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto downloads. Now if you look here, you're going to see at the top we've got the location, and we can change this by simply clicking the change button. What you can then do, this can open up your computer's file explorer and we can change the download location from here. So for example, if I wanted to save this to a folder on my desktop called Photos, I would select the folder and then click to select folder. As you can see, the download location has now changed, and if you want, you can also turn this option on to ask where to save each file before downloading. So that is how to change the download location in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.